Bhavarogam, Sansara Roga. Jatah Setu is the bridge of the world. We also saw that Yugadikrit, he who starts the yugas, time, that baby was pralaya, it was just contemplating, it seems. Because it had swallowed everything, yet it was there. So this is the beauty of Maya. Maya has swallowed everything. The pralaya has happened, there is nothing, yet this baby is there. Where is the baby? Who is to understand this? And the time is over, it will create again. Yugadikrit, he who starts yugas. Yugavarto, he is the Kalatma who brings about the cycle of yugas. He revolves the wheel of time. This baby. Naikamaya, of many illusions and wonders. We saw the kind of illusions and wonders. Naikamaya, not one Maya, thousands of Mayas. Mahashanaha. Mahashanaha means great consumer. Just ate up the entire universe, right? The great consumer. Adrishya, invisible to the senses. Parasara Bhatta quotes this Markandeya story from Mahabharatam in Vanaparva. In Mahabharata, in Vanaparva, the Markandeya story comes. This story comes. There the shloka says, Kathamnu ayam shishu shete loke nasimupagate tapasa chintayaschapi tam shishum nopalakshe, says Markandeya. Seeing this baby in the banyan leaf, he says, Kathamnu ayam shishu shete loke nasimupagate. The whole world, the universe has been destroyed. How come, what for, where from, how is this baby there and lying down in this leaf? Tapasa chintayaschapi na shishum nopalakshe. Even though I try to know what the meaning of this by the power of my tapasya, I am not able to know a thing about it, about this wonderful child. So, Adrishya, not possible to understand him through your senses. Vyakta Rupa, of manifest form. Swayam Prakashamanatvat Yoginam Yakta Rupa iti, says Adi Shankara. Because of his own radiance, Swayam Prakash Rupatvat, yogis are able to behold him in the self. Sahasrajit, the conqueror of thousands. Sahasra Yuga Sankyam Kalpantam Shayano Jayati iti Sahasrajit. Thousands of yugas elapsed when that baby was lying in there thinking a little bit. And like just lying down, it had conquered thousands of yugas. Sahasrajit, Anantajit, conqueror of innumerable beings. Ishto Vishishta Shishteshta Shikhandi Nahusho Vrisha Krodha Krodhakarta Vishwabhahur Mahidara. Ishta, his beloved. Markandeya is filled with bliss and love when he sees his baby. Beloved because of his Paramanandam. Avishishta means not Vishishta. What does not Vishishta means? He is not special towards anybody. He is actually his attitude to all has got no partiality. He is absolutely impartial. Because he is Antaryamin of all. Avishishta. Shishteshta. Shishta means learned. He is loved by the learned. Shishteshta. Shikhandi. This baby is decorated with peacock feather, right? The child baby. It's a beautiful picture of that Vatapatram. That Vatapatram, that tree is supposed to be also the one in Gaya. When we go to do Gaya Shraddham, today is Male Amavasya. So, this banyan tree is supposed to have its root in Prayag, trunk in Kashi, and crown in Gaya. So that's why you offer Shraddham, no? When you go. So that tree is beautiful. It's such a beautiful place, that tree in Gaya. Very holy place. Anyway, that's why we complete actually. We complete this ritual in that under the tree. The final Pindadanam is done there under the tree. For everybody else, one Pindam is done, I think for mother alone, if the mother is not there and Pindam is being offered, 17 or 18, I don't know, 16. Mother is considered special because of not just that. Each pindam they explain to you why this pindam is being given, because of how she suffered right from the time she conceived onwards, out from the conception onwards, birth onwards, bringing you up onwards. How she has you have taken care of me even like this when I was there. You have taken care of me like this when I was there. You have taken care of me like this. For that I give you this. For that I give you like that. Goes on and on and on and on. It's amazing. It's under the tree. That's where it's done. Finally. So, where are we? Vatapatra Shahi we were seeing, right? Shikhandi with that peacock feather. Nahusha means confounder, one who confounds through his maya. Vrishaha means dharma. Vrisha is dharma. The next 18 names, says Parashara Bhattar, pertain to the Parashurama avatara of Narayana. He says, Krodhaha. Now you should know by now. Ha means destroy, right? Krodhaha means one who destroys anger. That's one meaning. Parashara Bhattar says, he who gave up his own anger after destroying the kings. So he is called Krodhaha. Krodhakrit Karta. He is the slayer of the angry ones. He is also the creator of anger. Parashara Bhattar says Krodhakrit Karta has two names, Krodhakrit and Karta. Krodhakrit is he who gave vent to his anger. And Karta is he who killed Kartavirya. Arjuna, that's the guy. Vishwabahu, next name, Nama. Vishwabahu is having arms on all sides. Whole Vishwa is, all over the Vishwa, his hands are there. Mahidhara, he who supports the earth by eliminating all the bhubharam, all the burdens of the earth. Parashurama eliminated, so he is Mahidhara. Achyutah pratitah pranah pranado vasavanudah apam nidirdhishthanam apramattah pratishtitah. Achyuta means one who does not fall from his status. Achyuta, not Chuta. He does not fall from his status. His glory is always permanent. Prathitah, renowned, well known. Prana, life. Sutratma, that thread of life that is common to all of us. Prana. The next 11 names, Parashara Bhattar says, pertain to the Kurma avatara. Kurma is the tortoise, no? The avatara of Lord Narayana. Pranada, life giver. Vasavanuja means the younger brother of Anuja of Indra. Vasava is Indra. So in order that Indra may get the Amrita, the nectar, the Lord comes as Kurma and bears the mountain, right? Mandara mountain. So it's Vasavanuja. Apam Nidhi. Apam Nidhi means ocean. Apa means water. Nidhi is treasure. Ocean. He who, Parashara Bhattar says, he sustained the ocean when it was churned. Apam Nidhi. Adhishthanam, mainstay, support during the Mantana. Apramattha, ever vigilant. Apramattha is pramado vai mrityu. We saw in Sanasujatiyam, right? Death is pramada. Apramattah, ever vigilant. Pratishtitah, well established. Skandha skandadaro dhuryo varado vayivahana vasudevo brahadbhanuradi devah purandara. Skanda. Skanda means he who flows as nectar. Or he who dries up, Parashara Bhattar says, the demons. Skanda. Skandadhara. Skandam, Adishankara says Skandadhara means Skandam Dharmapatham Dharayati iti Skandadhara. Skandam, Adishankara says Skandam also means Dharmapatha. That is the way of Dharma. Dharayati, he supports it. Therefore he is Skandadhara. He supports the way of Dharma. Therefore he is Skandadhara, says Adishankara. Parashara Bhattar says he is the supporter of Skanda Subramanya, Murugan. Devasenadipati, Muruga. He is a supporter of Muruga. For Skanda too is his own Vibhuti. Because the Lord Krishna and Bhagavad Gita says, Senaninam aham Skandha iti Bhagavad Vachanam. Dhurya means the bearer of the yoke. Durya is bearer of the yoke. He bears the entire burden of all creation. Durvyo. Varada, the granter of boons. Varadaraja Perumal. If you have not seen Varadaraja Perumal in Kanchipuram, you must see. One of the most magnificent Archa-avatarams of the Lord you can see. Without any rush, etc. You can go at a time, just stand. Beautiful. Varada. Vayuvahana. He is the director of the vital air. Vayu, that's one. The other is he who has wind as his vehicle. Vayuvahana. Vasudevo. The next 12 names pertain to the Lord's aspect as Vasudeva, says Parasara Bhattar. Vasudevo means indwelling player, says. The Deva, when he says Deva, the deity, celestial, has his natural attribute apparently is to play. Sport. So, Vasudeva is the indwelling player, he who pervades all and sports. Both Parasara Bhattar and Adi Shankara have given a elaborate commentary for this name, Vasudeva, in Sahasranama. Not going into that. Brihad Bhanu means possessed of great radiance, great rays of light. Adideva, straightforward, first deity. Purandara, destroyer of the cities of Asuras. Parasara Bhattar says the next three nama describes the Lord's nature to ward off the troubles caused by wicked persons. Next three namas. First nama. The shloka is Ashokastar, Hastara, Shura, Shaurirjaneshwara, Anukula, Shatavarta, Padmi, Padmanibhe, Kshana. Ashoka, he who dispels sorrow, says Parasara Bhattar. Adi Shankara says he who has no sorrow. Ashoka. Tarana is one who enables you to cross over. Deliverer. Delivers you from Bhava Bhayam. Fear of this world. So it's Tarana. Taraha, savior again. So these three namas, Ashoka, Tarana, Taraha, Parasara Bhattar says are names that reflect the nature of the Lord who saves you from trouble created by wicked people. Ashokas, Taranas, Taraha. Shuraha, valiant. Shaurihi, son of Shura. Who is Shura? Vasudeva is known as Shura, Krishna's father. The son of Shura is Shauri. Krishna is his son. Janeshwara. Janeshwara is straightforward, Lord of men. Anukula. Anukula, Tamil Anukulam. Anukula is favorable. Favorable to all. Anukul. Vatanukul, they say, air conditioned. Vatanukul. Anukula means temperature is favorable. Right? Anukula is favorable to all. Why is he favorable to all? As he is the self of all. Shatavarta, he who incarnates hundreds of times. Padmi means one who has got a lotus in his hands. He carries a lotus, lotus in his hand. Padmanibhekshana, lotus-eyed. Next shloka. Padmanabhor Vindaksha Padmagarbha Sharir Bhrit Mahardir Ruddho Vriddhatma Mahakshogaradhvaja. Padmanabha, having a lotus in his navel or lotus naveled. Arvindaksha, lotus-eyed. Aksha is eye, Arvinda is lotus. Padmagarbha, contained in the lotus of the heart. He is in the lotus of the heart of every being. Sharir Bhrit, he is the one who protects, he supports, he nourishes the body. Shariram. All of our bodies are protected, nourished, supported by him. Mahardhi. Riddhi means, Riddhi Siddhi you say, Riddhi. Riddhi is Vibhuti, that is. Mahardhi means Mahati Vibhuti. Mahati Riddhi means supremely splendid. Riddha, prosperous. Says Parasara Bhattar, Riddha is prosperous. Adi Shankara says, Prapancha Rupena Vardhamanatvat Riddha. Because he is of the form of the expanse of the universe, he is called Ruddha, Prapancharupa. Vriddha Atma. Vriddha means aged, old. Atma, ancient self. Mahaksha. Maha-aksha. Aksha, you know what by now? These names must be becoming familiar to you. Eye. Arvindaksha is no? Lotus eyes. Mahaksha means great eye. The great eye. Parasara Bhatta says Mahaksha refers to Garuda Vahana, Vishnu. Garuda Dvaja, next nama, the one who has got Garuda in the flag. Atulha Sharabho Bhima Samayagyo Havir Hari Sarva Lakshana Lakshanyo Lakshmi Mahan Samitinjaya. Atulha, incomparable, no tulyam, atulam. Sharabho, Shara is body, Shariram, Sharam. Bha means radiance. He is a radiance in the body. He is the inner self in the body. He is Sharabha. He who shines in the body is called Sharabha. Bhima. Bhima is, you know, formidable, awesome, terrific, terrifying. Bhishasmat vatah pavate. Bhima. Samayagya. Samayagya means knower of all conventions and of time. He is equal towards all. He is a master of creation, sustenance and dissolution. Therefore, he is Samayagya. Havir Hari means he is one who receives the oblations in a yajna. When you offer oblations in a yajna, he is the one who receives it. The next 24 names of Vishnu as a consort of Lakshmi, says Parasara Bhatta. Next name is Sarva Lakshana Lakshanya. He is endowed with all the glory of Shri. All the glory of Lakshmi he is endowed with. Sarva Lakshana Lakshanya. Sarva Lakshanaihi Pramanaihi Lakshanam Jnanam Jayate Yattad Vinirdishtam. Says Adi Shankara. Sarva Lakshanaihi Pramanaihi Lakshanam Jnanam Jayate. Adi Shankara Lakshanam is Jnanam. He is known through all methods of inquiry and research. Whatever method of inquiry and research you do, it will lead to him. Therefore, he is called Sarva Lakshana Lakshanya, says Adi Shankara. Lakshmivan is consort of Lakshmi. Samitinjaya, he is victorious in battles. Viksharo rohito margo hetur damodara sa mahidharo mahabhago vegavan amitashanah. Vikshara, kshara means decaying, vikshara means undecaying. Rohita means red. Rohit means red. Rohita means red colored. Arunachala like that, no? Aruna. Rohita. Marga is path. He is this Upasakaihi margyate iti marga, says Parasara Bhatta. Because the Upasakas seek him. So margyate iti marga. He is the one who is sought. Therefore he is marga, says Bhatta. Hetu means cause. He is the cause. Damodara, one who has the entire universe in his belly. That baby. Damodara. Saha. Here also, Damodara, Adi Shankara says, it relates to Dhamma. He is known through discipline. Through disciplining oneself, only one can know him. This will come back again and again. I mean, this is something which we would probably not like to remember, but that is so. And it is that the only way to realize him is by actually disciplining the senses and the mind and stilling it and killing it. There is nothing to be found outside. But that's exactly the difficulty. That you will only seek for the coin under the lamppost. So the senses are the lamppost, and that's where we will be looking all the time. Right, so Damodara, Saha, all enduring, tolerant, most tolerant. Damodara, Saha, all enduring, tolerant. Mahidhara, bearer of the earth. Mahabhaga, most fortunate. Vegavan, what is Vegavan? You should tell me. Swift, yeah, fast, yeah, Vegavan. Now next name will be useful for everybody, is Amitashanaha. Amitashanaha means what? Of immense appetite, voracious eater, has non-stop eating. During pralayam, he just eats and eats. Voracious appetite, it seems. Amitashanaha. Udbhava Kshobano Devah Srigarbha Parameshwara Karanam Karnam Karta Vikarta Gahano Guha. Udbhava means, origin. Kshobana, it's a nice name. Kshobana, not Shobana. KSH. Kshobana. Kshobana means the creator of commotion. Agitator. He agitates. Kshobana. He does these things to you. He keeps you agitated. The world, everything is to be kept in a state of agitation. Commotion. Devaha is divinity, deity. Sri Garbha, containing Sri in himself. Parameshwara, Supreme Lord, ruler. Karanam, instrument, means. Karanam, Karanam, cause. Karta, doer. All that is he is the cause, he is the doer, he is the means, he is the end. Vikarta, Vichitram Bhuvanam Kritavan iti Vikarta. Vichitram Bhuvanam Kritavan. He has made this wondrous, variegated world. Therefore, it is called Vikarta, varied world. Amazing. What little we know. Vichitram Bhuvanam Kritavan iti Vikarta. Gahano. Gahana means inscrutable, unknowable, dense. Guha, concealer. By his Maya, he conceals, so he is called Guha. Guha means protect, so Guha also means protector. Vyavasayo vyavasthana sanstana sthanado dhruva paradhis paramaspashtas tushta pushta shubhe kshana. Vyavasayo, wholly of the nature of consciousness, Adi Shankara's Vyavasaya. Samvinmatra surupatvat Vyavasaya. Parasara Bhatta says Vyavasaya means pivot of all planets. Vyavasayo Vyavasthana, basis of everything is Vyavasthana. Sanstana, the ultimate abode, the final abode, the finality is Sanstana. Sthanada, Da means giver, we saw. Sthanada is one who confers the abode, one who gives the abode, one who confers the status as per your karma is called Sthanada. He gives the right place as per your karma. Like he gave Dhruva the position of the pole star. Sthanado Dhruva. Next name is Dhruva. Firm. The next 12 names, the next set of names are the Parasara Bhatta says something very beautiful. And we will start with that in the next class, but I tell you what he says. And saying this particular statement of Parasara Bhatta Vishnu Sahasranama, Antaram Dikshidhar in his exposition on Vishnu Sahasranama simply danced with joy, saying, "Oh, look at what he has said." So what does he say about the next set of namas? He says, Atha Mrita Sanjeevanam Ramacharitam. Now comes the names of Rama, which brings life to the dead. Atha Mrita Sanjeevanam. It will bring dead back to life. Those names are coming next, he says. On that note, we will conclude today's collection of names, Vishnu Sahasranama. We are somewhere towards 390 of 1000 names.